السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله، الحمد لله، الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Well, I welcome you all to the class of vocabulary of the Quran. And inshallah ta'ala, we are doing letter Kha. This is Kharaja. Kharaja is to come out. Kharajta, you came out. So very common verb. And this is, I think you should know this by now. This is almost the first verb in Medina books, kharaja, to come out. He came out. You can say to come out. kharaja. Kharaju, kharajna, kharajtum, kharajna, yakhruju. He comes out. So kharaja's present tense is yakhruju. And then we can add noon thaqil also, noon heavy noon to show emphasis. Yakhrujunna. Yakhrujunna. Surely come out. They will surely come out. Yakhruju. And then akhraja is to bring something out, form four from that. To comfort. Kharijun, comfort. Kharijina, kharij is also used. Akhrajat, she brought up. Yukhriju, brings up. To It's form four from that. Yukhrijuna, tukhriju, you drive out. Yeah. So akhraja is, so kharaja is someone to leave. Kharaja Hamidun. Hamid left min al masjidi, from the masjid. Akhraja is to throw someone out. Drive out. Akhraja. And brought up also. Like Allah brings up uh, a, a, a plant from the seed. So akhraja min al ard, like that. So mukhraj is something which is going out. Mukhraj, going out. Same, khuruj is the masdar. So mukhraj, masdar, mimi, bima'na al khuruj. Mukhraj is same as khuruj. Wa akhrijni mukhraja sidqin. And to go out with a firm going out. No? And you, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make me go out with a firm going out. Tukhrijuna, tukhriju, akhraja, yukhrijuna, nukhriju, akhrij, bring forth, all conjugations, ukhrijtum, because this is so common. He brought all of them. And then they have istakhraja, similar meaning, to bring forth something, istakhraja. Kharjun, kharjun is maintenance, kharj. So maybe we can give kharjun. Maintenance, kharjun. It's a noun, tribute, maintenance. Kharaj is also same thing. So khuruj, ikhraj, makhrajun, place of going out, mukhrijun, bring forth, mukhrijuna, those who bring forth. Okay. Then we have khardal, mustard seed. Khardalun, mustard seed. Khardalun. Khardalun, mustard seed. Smaller than the mustard seed. Kharra, to fall down. Kharra sajida, Allah uses. Kharra yakhirru, they fall down in prostration. Yakhirru. Yakhirru. Fell, to fall down. Yakhirru sajida, he fell down. Yakhirru, you fall down. Takhiru, you fall down. Yakhiruna, they fall down. Yakhirru. Yakhirru. Yakhiruna. Then kharasa is to guess. Yakhrusun. Kharasa. Yakhrusu. Kharasa yakhrusu, to guess. Guess something. Qutil al kharrasun, perish the conjectures. That means those who guess, deny the truth of religion, and only conjecture and do not exercise their reason and understanding the proper way. Kharrasun. Khurtum is the snout. Khurtum. Sanasimuhu. Al khurtum. Khurtumun. So maybe we can write something else. A nose instead of snout. Nose. We can just write nose. Snout is a long nose, actually. Snout. خرطوم. And then خرق, scuttle. خرق يخرق is to make a hole. خرق يخرق. To make a hole. Whole lie. To lie also. يخرق. حتى إذا ركب في السفينة خرقها. He scuttled it. Scuttled يعني make a hole. خرقت you made a hole. خرقوا they. وخرقوا له بنين وبنات بغير علم. They imputed, lied about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And they made sons and daughters without knowledge. تخرق you rend. إنك لن تخرق الأرض. You will not make a rend the earth. How do you not make a hole in the earth? Then we have khazana. Khazin is used treasurer, very common, I guess. Khazanatun, keepers of paradise. Khazana. Khazanatun, keepers. Khazanatul Jahannam, Khazanatul Jannah. Khazain, treasures. Singular khazina. Khazina, plural is khazain, treasures. Then khizyun, kha, za, and ya. Khazia yakhza. Khazia yakhza. To form something which is bad, evil, to fall into disgrace. Khazia yakhza. Yakhza. How do you? Khazia yakhza. So to fall into disgrace. To be disgraced. Khizyun. Disgrace, yani not respected, no? Hisayatun, khuzan, to feel ashamed. Akhza yukhzi is to humiliate. Form 4 from that. That is, you humiliate someone else. You don't respect someone else. Akhza yukhzi. La tukhzi. La tukhzina. Don't humiliate us. Khizyun, humiliation. Khizyun. Maybe I can write khizyun also. The masdar from this. Because it's so common. Khizyun, humiliation. Humiliation. And khasa'a is to slink away. Khasa'a yakhsaw, to go away, drive away. Khase, khase, and despise one. And so it is used as khase is the one who is despised. Despised one. Khase'un. Khase, despised. Because khasa means someone who's far away. So khase, you are far away. Mubadun. Khasira, yakhsaru, to lose. Very common again. Khasira, yakhsaru. Khasira, yakhsaru. Yakhsaru, khusran is the masdar. To lose. Safa. Khusran. Khusran mubin. This is all conjugation. Khusrun, loss. Khasirina, losers. Ismul fa'il. Khasir, the loser. Khasiratun, al-akhsarin. Takhsir, mukhsirin. Khasafa is to, again, like to go into the earth, sink into the earth. Khasafa yakhsifu. Khasafa yakhsifu eclipse also is used, no? Khasafa. eclipse, sink into the earth. خسف يخسف. الأرض يخسف. Like the earth swallowed him. فخسف القمر, moon has eclipse, sink when لولا أمن الله علينا لخسف بنا. Had not been Allah, لولا أمن الله, لولا أن من الله علينا لخسف بنا. Had not been Allah gracious unto us, He would have sunken the earth with us. خسفنا, خسفنا, we sank. يخسف, نقصف. خشع is to be humble. خشوع, خشع, خاشع, no, the one who's خشع, يخشع, to be, يخشع, to be humble, submissive. Yeah, humble, fine. وخشعت الأصوات للرحمن, and the voice should be humble for Ar-Rahman. تخشع, to humble the hearts. خاشع, خاشع, خاشعون, humble, humility. خاشعات, خشع, خشع, lowering. خشع, خاشعين من الذل, downcast with ignominy. يعني humility. خشعن أبصارهم, their eyes downcast. Khashia is also to fear. Same like Khushur, kind of. But Khashia is more like fear. Khashia. Khashia. Or Khashia. Khashia yakhsha. To be fearful. To be fearful. This is all conjugation. Lam yakhsha. Taksha. Taksha. Ikhshaw, fearful. Khashiyatun, fear. Then khassa. With a kha, not the qaf. Khassa is to choose, make someone khas. Khassa yakhassu. Khassa yakhassu. Khassa yakhassu. To choose. Needy. Khassa yakhussu also to be pure, poor, needy. To be poor also. Khasasa, neediness. Maybe you can write this because this is different, no? Khasasa. Thirst and hunger. Khasasa. Maybe because the poor people are like poor, so they're called chosen people. You're the chosen people because you're poor. So, have sabr. Like a good word for them. That's why they've used, I think. Then khasafa, sad with a sad. Khasafa yakhsifu, to patch something. Cover. This is rare anyways. Khasafa yakhsifu. Then khasama is to dispute. Last one will do for today. Khasama yakhsim, to dispute, argue, contend, to dispute. Right? So all the al-khasmu is also the one disputation party. Khasm is the opponent. Khasm, litigants. Khasmani, khasimuna, disputing one. Khasim, contender. وَإِذَا خَصِيمٌ مُبِينٌ, and lo, he's an open contender, pleader. وَلَا تَكُلْ لِلْخَائِنِينَ خَصِيمًا, don't be a pleading, don't be an advocate kind. Al-Khisam, dispute. You can write one more, maybe Khisam, dispute. Dispute. وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٌ, he's in contention, not plain. وَهُوَ أَلَدُّ الْخِصَامِ, he's the most contentious of the adversaries. Right? He disputes a lot. Takhasum, contending. Inshallah, we'll do all of these in our next class. So the words here, kharaja, to come out, kharjun, maintenance, Khardalun, mustard seed. Kharra yakhiru, to fall down. Kharasa yakhrusu, to guess. Khurtum, nose. Kharaqa yakhriku, to make a hole. Khazanatun, keeper. Khaza yakhzi, to be disgraced. Khizyun, humiliation. Khasa, despised. Khasa is to go far. No? Khasira yakhsaru, to lose. Khasafa yakhsifu, to eclipse, sink into the earth. Khasha'a, to be humble. Khashaya, to be fearful. Khassa, to be to choose or to be poor. Khasasa, thirst and hunger, poverty. And khasama yakhsimu, to dispute. Khisamun, dispute itself. Dispute, disputation. All right. Jazakallahu khairan. Barakallahu feek. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.